Hello, and welcome to the Harnessing the Power of Data with Power BI course. This course covers the core concepts of data analysis and introduces the main features of Microsoft Power BI. Many of your normal digital activities generate data. This can happen when you use services such as car parking, traveling by rail or air, or from your shopping, socializing, or fitness activities. Of course, it's not just you that's contributing data. Your friends, family, and colleagues, in fact, almost everyone adds content to the data pool. Businesses and organizations also use many other sources, such as government, financial, economic, health, and scientific data, to name a few. Gathering and storing a vast amount of data is the first phase. Then comes the challenge of its analysis. This is why there is a growing demand for data analyst professionals. Businesses need data analysis more than ever. And as a data analyst, you will be ideally placed to begin harnessing the power of data. In this learning path, you will learn about the life and journey of a data analyst and the skills, tasks, and processes they go through in order to tell a story with data. You'll discover how getting that data analysis story correct enables businesses to make informed decisions. Let's get an overview of the main topics covered in this course. You may have already learned about one crucial topic: preparing data using Microsoft Excel. You also need to understand other elements involved in the career of data analysis, including learning about the stages in the data analysis procedure and the roles involved, recognizing key issues and concerns when conducting analysis, and sharing results and knowing different types of data sources and connection types. This course will give you a solid foundation in these topics and introduce you to the component elements of Microsoft Power BI, software that helps to process, analyze, and share data. Let's now quickly summarize the course material to give you an overview of all your study in this course. This course will introduce you to data analysis in business, data sources, and data ingestion. To begin, you'll learn about the role of a data analyst, key data analysis concepts, and how data plays an essential role in business. You'll then be briefly introduced to Power BI as a tool for data analysis. You will also learn about data sources and the exact transform, load, or ETL process. You'll learn the importance of identifying and evaluating data sources. And following this, you will learn about transforming and cleaning data. In Power BI, you'll get to distinguish between the different query and scripting languages. To consolidate your learning and put it into practice, you will complete a practical assignment where you will use data to determine the cause of a recent decrease in sales. Practical exercises in the course are based on a fictional business called AdventureWorks. During the exercise, you must identify stakeholders, locate data sources, perform data transformation, and distribute reports. After this hands-on learning, you will complete a final graded assessment. Be assured that everything you need to complete the assessment will be covered during your lesson, with each lesson made up of video content, readings, and quizzes. To assist your learning, you will also get to apply your newly gained skills in exercises, quiz questions, and self-reviews. In addition, discussion prompts allow you to share knowledge and discuss difficulties with other learners. These discussions are also a great way to grow your network of contacts in the data analysis world. So be sure to get to know your classmates and stay connected during and after your course. Is this the course for you? Hopefully, the outline of the course content and topics will help you decide. And it's important to mention that you don't need an IT-related background to take this course. It's for anyone who likes using technology and has an interest in data analysis. Whatever your background, to complete this course, you need to have access to some resources. You need a laptop or a desktop computer with a recommended 4 GB of RAM, an internet connection, and a Windows operating system version 8.1 or later. It should have a .NET framework version 4.6.2 or later installed, and a subscription to Microsoft Office 365. You'll also need to install Power BI Desktop, available as a free download. You'll find further details about these and other requirements in the additional resources item at the end of this lesson. This program prepares you for a career in data analysis. When you complete all the courses in the Microsoft Power BI Analysis Professional Certificate, you'll earn a Coursera certificate to share with your professional network. Taking this program not only helps you become job ready, but also prepares you for an exam PL300, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. In the final course, you'll recap the key topics and concepts covered in each course, along with a practice exam. You'll also get tips and tricks, testing strategies, useful resources, and information on how to sign up for the exam. Finally, you'll test your knowledge in a mock exam mapped to the main topics in this program and the Microsoft Certified Exam PL300, ensuring you're well prepared for certification success. Earning a Microsoft certification is evidence of your real-world skills and is globally recognized. A Microsoft certification showcases your skills and demonstrates your commitment to keeping pace with rapidly changing technology. It also positions you for increased skills, efficiency, and earning potential in your professional roles. The topics covered in the practice exam include prepare data, model data, visualize and analyze data, and deploy and maintain assets. In summary, this course introduces how a data analyst uses data to create a compelling story through reports and dashboards using Microsoft Power BI. It also explores the need for true business intelligence in the enterprise. I hope you are ready to get started with your data analysis journey.